Something that we've always want to know more about, and it's something that honestly, until it happens to you, you completely don't believe it. And this is one such show that's really going to tell us the story from people who have seen this happen. And it's something that when we've been watching the footage, we've been watching the promos, it's definitely spooked us out, and I'm sure it's going to spook you too. When Akashdeep came to us with the concept, we found it extremely interesting. Okay, what we really liked about it and we really think sets the show apart is the fact that it's based on real stories. And I think that is something that is going to attract the audiences, and I'm sure it's something that they're going to enjoy. I'm going to call on stage Akashdeep to sort of elaborate as to how he thought of this concept, how he went about it, and to tell us really about his experiences on the show.
My wife Sheba, Keshav, our co-producer, and everybody back in the office who work day and night. And we hope that what we are creating you will like. As Aloka mentioned, it's a reality show. It's a show about victims. It's about people who've encountered paranormal experiences. And we could not have done this without the help of the Indian Paranormal Society, headed by Gaurav Tiwari and a lot of helpful people in his team who continue to work in this field. They look at cases, they study them, they help victims. And it is some of those cases that they feel are worth sharing with us that we then take forward and jointly develop and we present in front of you.
ज़रूर बोलते हैं, बच्चे सो जाओ, भूत आएगा. So it's basically a concept which is really going to gel with most families, most people, and I hope you'll enjoy it.
अच्छा, मैं आपको एक बात बता दूं कि मैं आलोका से उस दिन बात कर रहा था कि I don't know why shows like these are classified as horror shows. This should be daily soaps. Because when I met Sheba, she used to say, and I used to knock on the door to go and meet her, she used to say, darling is come, darling is come, darling is come. Then we got married and I could hear when I rang the doorbell, she used to say, oh, my husband is come, my husband is come, my husband is come. Then when we had children, she would say, hey, Hriday ka papa aa gaya, Hriday ka papa aa gaya. And now few years after the marriage, the doorbell rings and my son says, who's it? And she says, Bhoot aaya. Does your wife do the same thing?
Yeah, kind of. All wives do the same. I'd like to thank the team at Sony, Aloka and Sandeep. They've been extremely helpful. And also the fact that they're very clear as to what they wanted from the product. So that really helped. Yeah.
और बहुत छोटी सी बात है, लेकिन भूत ये ऐसा शब्द है जिसे सुनते ही कहीं ना कहीं हमारे मन में एक डर, एक खौफ पैदा होता है. और भूत आया ये सच्ची घटनाओं पे आधारित होने के कारण मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है. ये सोच डर के साथ साथ आपको ये आभास दिलाती है कि शायद ये आपके साथ भी हो सकता है.
दुनिया भर में घूम के मैंने कई ऐसी जगह देखी है जहां लोग बोलते हैं भूत प्रेत रहते हैं, यानी हॉन्टेड जगह. लेकिन कितनी सच्चाई इन बातों में, जिसे हम हॉन्टेड बोलते हैं या स्पिरिट बोलते हैं या सोल बोलते हैं, क्या कोई साइंटिफिक प्रूफ है? कई लोग तो ये भी बोलते हैं कि साइंस के पास इन सब बातों के लिए रूम नहीं है. लेकिन क्या सच बात है? ऐसा नहीं है. आज साइंस इन बातों को मानने लगी है कि ह्यूमन कॉन्शियसनेस, यानी हमारी कॉन्शियसनेस, हमारे फिजिकल डेथ के बाद भी सर्वाइव कर सकती है. आपने दुनिया में कितने केसेस सुने होंगे जिसमें आदमी मरकर वापस जिंदा हो जाता है. दुनिया भर में ऐसे 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा केसेस डॉक्यूमेंटेड हैं. इसे हम नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंस बोलते हैं. और सारे लोगों के एक्सपीरियंस काउंट करने के बाद हमने देखा है कि सबका एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही सिमिलर होता है.